For the 18 rows, Mr. Emmanuel Pereira.
Ito na po
Gina's
yung idol
friend.
ko. Ito na. Hindi po Gina's friend. Boyfriend ko yan.
Bigyan naman po natin ng masigawang palakpakan ng ating napakagandang debutant. Deserve naman niya, di ba? So, parinig po ulit, palakpakan naman natin si China.
Gina!
Wish I had the courage, wish I might have the chance to show you, speak what's on your mind. While you're right next to me, I've loved you from the start. Wish that I could walk you down the road, share each moment, have my hand to hold. My imagination's beginning to unfold. Every wish is granted, every dream hold. Wish I may, wish I might find a way to your heart. Wish that I'll be the sun to warm you all through your life. Wish you may feel my love that is hidden in the stars. Wish I may, wish I might be the one.
Palakpakan naman po natin. Tatawagan ko po yung lahat
Wait
ng
on.
participants ng 18 roses para po magkaroon po tayo
Man.
ng picture kay Ate China.